What's up guys? For today's video, I got a huge Pacsun haul. I did the math right before the video. I spent about $100 and I got about $645 worth of stuff. But a lot of people like to hate when I round up, so I'm gonna round down to $600. So I'm gonna just say I spent $100 and got about $600 worth of stuff, and that's retail value. So what's on the tag is how I am figuring out the price of $600. So don't get it twisted. But before I get right into it, I did pick up two things today because I went to the outlet and I picked up two things from Adidas, but I did not want to make my own video just for these pickups because they're not anything crazy at all. But I definitely wanted to show you guys. I got Adidas basketball. I just want to pick it up because I've been wanting an Adidas basketball and I can't really find them anywhere. When I went to the Adidas outlet, I picked it up and this was $16. I don't know if that's pricey or not for basketball, but I wanted it, so I just got it. And then it was buy one get one half off, so I just got this water bottle for my girlfriend. It's pretty sweet. The camera I don't think can pick this up, but it is an all black water bottle with the black Adidas Originals logo on it, and this was only $10 and that ended up being $5 because it's buy one get one half off. But now that that's over with, I can get right into the Pacsun haul. I'm super hyped on this Pacsun haul because I got some things that I've been wanting for a while that I slept on in the past, and it pays the weight, I guess. And then I did get some stuff to resell, and I know some people were knocking me in the comments for being a reseller, but I don't see how you could hate people for reselling when people go and work. Say you work like 4 hours and you make about 40 bucks or whatever, when I could walk into a store, get this shirt and sell it for $40 with almost little to no effort. So I mean, I'm not even trying to flex, I'm not trying to front at all. I'm just trying to inspire you guys to go out there and make money, because there are so many ways that you can make money where you don't need to be doing things you don't like. So daily inspiration right there. But enough chit chat, let's get right into this. So first up, I did get this t-shirt. I have been wanting it for a while. I am wearing shorts, so excuse these this wild fit I got going on. But I was wanting this for a while. I've never really seen it in my size, and I'm pretty sure this shirt is like $30 all day. So this was part of the 3 for $30 deal this time. So I picked it up for about $10, considering I got other stuff too equaling like the 3 for $30, but I'll get into that. And I'm super hyped on this, just like I basically am with everything else. But next up, I got these shorts. Now, I'm not too much of a short person. I probably have only worn shorts like 3 times in my life, so I'm trying to get into the short game this year. I told myself I will. So I picked up these camo drawstring shorts. These are kind of like the Fear of God inspired stuff at Pacsun. Got like this drop crotch, but when I wore them, I didn't really notice that, so I don't really know what that's about. Fit a little weird though. I normally wear a medium in most things like this, like the sweat shorts or anything like that, but these fit a little odd to me. I probably could have fit a small, but not in the length. The medium waist was too big, so be careful if you're wanting to pick these up. But these were $44.95, but I only got these for $13 because they were, I want to say 70% off or something like that. These were not part of the 3 for $30. They were about 13 bucks. And when I first seen these come out, I did really want these in the black pair, and I'm pretty sure these are still fairly new to being at Pacsun, the shorts version at least. So I think that was a steal for getting these for like 13 bucks. Next, I got this denim jacket. It's not really my favorite denim jacket. I have seen better ones. I do own I personally think better ones than this, but this is still sick. It was only 14 bucks, so I couldn't go wrong. It does have little distressings in it here and there, and I just got this Red Ribbon Army patch from Dragon Ball Z, so I'm hoping to sew it onto this. I was wanting a lighter one, so I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna put it onto this one, but for $14, I didn't want to not get this because I'm always rocking denim jackets, and I love denim jackets, and you can never have too much denim. Now next up, this is probably the biggest L of the century, this pickup. This is the All Access Pacsun Purpose Tour collab. Now, if you watch my super old videos, you'll know that I basically waited in line for all the Pacsun Purpose collab stuff, which was the biggest L on my part. I honestly want to say I spent like $200 on that drop. Literally everything in the collection is $10 right now at Pacsun, and I wish I was lying. I don't know if all Pacsuns are participating in it or if it was just mine, but they had the long sleeves that I have, they had the hoodies, and they're all just 10 bucks. What I think is a super L on my part, I did not get this when it came out, so that's good. This retailed for $100. It still has the $100 Pacsun tag on it, and this was $10, so that is an L. I apologize if anyone copped this for $100 or even paid like $150 back when it was reselling really good, but I did get this to resell. I don't really know how good it is selling right now, but for $10, pretty much anything would be profit at that point. It's just upsetting seeing this decrease so fast in value, considering that me and my friends were pretty hyped on this collab, but I even waited in line for it, so that just is crazy to me. Now next, I did get 3 of these Travis Scott shirts. It's the Diamond Supply Co collab. If you're wondering why I got 3, it's because I am probably gonna keep one for myself, and I'm gonna sell the other 2 because the Travis stuff does sell kind of nicely on eBay. I did pick up 2 hoodies for $10, but I didn't make a video on that because it's kind of a spur of the moment thing. So I didn't even have them that long. So I don't have those anymore. To be honest, this might even be a Rothko camo shirt. I do have some Rothko and it kind of feels pretty similar to it. I don't know if it is or not, but it is made by Diamond Supply Co. It has the Travis Scott in the brackets right here. Nothing on the sleeve. Wait, yeah, nothing on the sleeves. Down the back it just says Diamond and then has this circle with a line through it over. I don't really know if this is supposed to be him or what, but it's like a stick person with flames on their head, like La Flame. I don't know what that is or anything about that, but that's what it looks like. And these were also $10 as well. That's why I got 3 of them, which 3 of those is actually equal to less than what one of them cost originally. So that was a really good deal. And then next I got 2 of these because I am selling them, but this is sick actually. Like, I'm super hyped on this. I kind of wish I wanted to keep this, but I don't really wear this type of jerseys and I don't really know if this would look good on me, to be honest, so probably just gonna end up selling it. But it is the Death Row Records Hundreds collab, and I want to say this is a football jersey, not entirely sure, but right here it just has the Death Row logo, and then you turn it around and it just says the 191 and just some lines on the side. This was also basically $10, and I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but I'm saying it's all $10 because it was a part of the 3 for 30. Technically, if you get 3 things, it's like you're paying 10 each, so that's why I'm saying 10. So hopefully I'm not confusing anyone with any of that. Next up, I got this for me. I am trying to get on this new, I don't really want to say wave because I don't really see anyone rocking these, but these like cutoff things. It's gonna get super hot and I am going to Florida. I need to start dressing more appropriate for the weather. So I'm trying to get into these. I personally don't know if I look good in them or not, but it was only 10 bucks and it's pretty sick color. It's like this off-white, creamish color. The nice Iron Maiden logo right there. And nothing on the back. Then I also got this for me. Honestly, might be like my most hyped item. So I've been wanting an Adidas skateboarding thing, but I just didn't know what to get. But since this was only $10, I couldn't not get this. It has the Adidas Originals logo right there, but then it says skateboarding underneath. And it has these 3 stripes going on each side. And really nice and clean. Just the black and white colorway, nothing on the back. It's super like breathable too, which I like. So this would be nice for rocking in the hot weather. And I apologize if it sounds like I'm losing my voice. I don't know what's going on. I'm not sick at all, but I feel like my voice is going away. I'm very upset about that right now. And then last but certainly not least, I did get this, I think it's pronounced Sade. I don't even know. I'm a fake fan. Now you do know Supreme collabed with her, and this is, I guess, Pacsun's version of it. This did get released online and it sold out like pretty fast. That's what I was talking about earlier in the video. I wanted this so bad and it sold out super quick. This retails for $25, but I was able to get this for just $10, and it has the nice huge logo on the front, and then on the back it has the smooth operator, which is pretty nice. I like this. Now, hopefully you guys don't roast me because I said that I did pick that up and I don't really listen to the music, but I know a lot of people freak out about that, like, oh my god, you don't listen to Iron Maiden but you're wearing the Iron Maiden clothes. I actually am not heavily into Iron Maiden, but I do know their songs, but I see where you guys are coming from. I'm kind of on the fence about it because I'm not gonna really get into the whole thing, but it is kind of annoying when people are wearing like Pink Floyd or something and then someone's like, bet you can't even name 3 Pink Floyd songs or something like that. But to be honest, the way I see it, if you like it, wear whatever you want to wear. I mean, I think that shirt's sick. I only know the smooth operator song because that's what the back of the shirt says. So I'm a fake fan. I still think it's dope, but I am kind of like a hypocrite about it because I do get kind of annoyed when people who don't skate wear Thrasher. That is kind of just killing me inside when you see like the super preppy kids you went to school with that used to hate on you for skateboarding are now rocking Thrasher. So that kind of is annoying. I mean, it's whatever. Wear what you want to wear. Don't let me tell you what to do. Don't let anyone else tell you what to do. If you like it, wear it. Simple as that. But sorry for talking all with my hands. I'm getting crazy. Just to recap on everything, I spent a little over $100 and got about $600 worth of merchandise. I am rounding down, like I said. So super steals. Make sure you go in and check your Pacsun. You never know what you could be missing out on. You might find some gems, you might not, but it's all a part of the game. But like I said, please like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out all my other videos. Smash that like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.